Alright, this is the 1997 Ford Ranger original handle. Comes out like that. It goes in like that. Okay, this is flush. Now let's try the metal handle. See the distance between the two here is quite a bit different. These additional brackets on the inside are literally on the inside of the hinge here, making this distance much shorter than this distance. Let's go to the holes. This literally doesn't fit in. You can see them smash right there. We're not even close to fitting. This is the box it came in. It is in fact metal.